Up for sale, 1960 El Camino. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 60 El Camino, finished in red and white with factory interior. 350 engine, 350 trans, power steering and power brakes. As always, go around it, tell you everything I do know about it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. Of course, we will start here in the front as always. Love to have these cars. This is the third one, so obviously I don't get too many. 60 specifically. Chrome bumper here, just focusing on that. Excellent. Really, really, I mean, look at that. That is super nice. So, you know, by gauging age of the restoration off the condition of the car, the interior, chrome, stuff like that, I'd say probably 10 years. There's not too many blemishes on the car. Look how nice that lines up. Look how nice that lines up. But there is a chip there that's been touched up. One of the few marks on the car. And just great looking with the two-tone and the wheels on there. And then I got to show you the interior quickly. It's got the houndstooth interior, and that's like excellent. Even with the, like, you know, factory style finish in the dash with that gray. Oh, and again, restoration on a very solid El Camino. I mean, you see the bed here. Most of the floors are original, which is, again, just impressive as it is. The second El Camino I had was all fabricated floors because, you know, they don't produce them. So it was nice to see them with mostly original, and anything that was repaired, professionally redone. In the engine compartment here, you see how nice, detailed that is. I love the way the 350 kind of looks like a stock. It's got that stock look, like what would belong in the car. Power brakes, power steering, smooth running. 4-barrel carburetor, of course. And yeah, Harrison radiator, I noticed that. Nice paint on the firewall back there as well. Nice paint under the hood as I fall off the curb. Your trim tag is in place where it should be. I did take a picture of that. And yeah, no, this is, I'm very, very happy to have this. Sorry. The previous owner purchased it from like Vintage Auto out of Colorado, and it was a Colorado car originally, or at least prior to them purchasing it. And actually the person that I bought it from, they paid I have the receipt in the glove box, $27,500 for the car 1 year ago. Look at that nice fitment there, really nice fitment. Door to the rocker. Now I will say the body on this side, extremely straight. Door, fender, you know, the bed quarter, stuff like that. You go to this side, I would say the fender is straight. The door has a little ripple, a little bit low, and then the quarter is straight. So just the door is a little more ripple on the car than anything. But again, just looking at the paint dead on, it's like really nice. Really. I see one little mark right there. And what a quality job they did on this two-tone, following this contour here, this body line all the way down. Again, I'd like to point out how nice this trim is here. The one I had, the second one, was all beat up and dented. So I'm happy to have this. The bed is finished beautifully. Really just super nice. You know, opens and closes as it should. You know, no rust in there. That's what you want. See the drain holes to let the water out. Closes as it should. Let's go hop inside the car. Oh, actually, you know what? Let me show you the glass. No cracks in the glass, of course. You know, the windshield is nice. No cracks in this. Moldings around it, trim, super nice. Finish on top. The wraparound back window is excellent. And that's even finished really nice in there. Anyway, focusing here. Just focusing on the metal. Look how nice that door hem is right there. That's impressive. Going up. Weather stripping's been replaced. And anyway, Factory door panel, like new. I mean, you see a couple little marks on the armrest, but the door panel itself, more importantly, is excellent. You know, new carpet. I actually just peeled off the new carpet plastic sticker on the passenger side before I'm doing this now, just to give you an idea. That seat is like brand new. And then they got the little, you know, sleeve back here blocking off the compartment, and back there is the jack, and you know, put the spare if you want, which is cool. I like that. Now I made a boo-boo. I forgot to flip the steering wheel, so right now it's upside down. However, when my mechanic comes back in town, I'll easily just flip it, so just ignore the fact that this is upside down. The horn works. All this stainless is excellent in there. Again, paint on the dash, you know, no chopped up radio, got an original one in there. Factory gauges. It's that combination of a little bit of street rod look and upgrades, but while you're sitting in it, you feel like you're back in 1960 driving an El Camino. I have to do this with one hand. Come on. Oh gosh. There we go. Copy of the Colorado title before. 27,501 was the selling price. Again, just something to note that goes with the car. This trim looks to be original, and I like how they left it that way. You know, no bubbles anywhere on the lowers or anything coming through. Now showing just the back bumper here quickly, like the front bumper. Looks sweet. Trim is nice back here as well, with the wings. And again, just keep looking at that trim there. You see a little mark right there. No bubbles down there. I'm actually going to refocus my camera. There we go. See a couple little marks on that door edge there. And then nice fitment to the rocker. Again, nice hem in here. No Bondo in there, impressive. As well as you see the newer weather stripping, which I just pulled out. There you go. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and to eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. 60 El Camino, two-tone with the American racing wheels. Great looking car. Nice with the upgrades as well. The best of both worlds kind of a thing. But anyway, we are going to fire it up now and then drive it. Thank you.